That thing is really, really, really loud. Oh boy. Okay. I've got two new devices in front of me. I actually grabbed these the day I unboxed all of those other alarms, and you can check those out in the corner up there. But I thought these were broken. They were in the broken pile. But I had brought them and was, decided, if they're broken, whatever, but I'll decide to tinker around with them. Well, I plugged them in today, and sure enough, they made lots of noise and flashed and everything. So the strobes work, horns work. Not sure why they were pulled from anything. Not sure why they were in the broken pile, but they're in really good condition, no paint or anything on them. And they work, so just wanted to put that out there. I've got two system sensor P2Rs available for system tests, so by all means, go ahead and put those in the requested. Again, we're still weeks worth of requested system tests are in there, so it'll be a little while, but these work. They work well, super loud, and it's great. All right, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.